Here's a little later model vehicle, unique especially in classics. If you watch our website or YouTube channel, you know from time to time we will get little newer models in, maybe on a consignment from a good customer of ours or a trade-in. Here we have a 2020 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 26,000 on this one is all. Velvet red pearl coat, black interior. Let's take a look at this front fascia grille. Now you can see it is set up to flat tow. If you're looking for a vehicle, it has that capability. This one is set up for that. Underneath the hood, 3.2 liter V6 dual overhead cam engine. And you can see the paint shows well. There might be a little spot where you got a very small rock chip, what have you, but you see paint has a nice shine to it, good condition. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Firestone Destination Radials. Take a look down the passenger side. Again, you can see the paint shows well. What you would expect with this kind of miles on it. It does have a copy of the window sticker in with the still pictures, also both key fobs, the manuals. So if you want to check out exactly how this car is equipped, take a look at the copy of the window sticker in with the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One of the things you'll see on that window sticker is the customer preferred package 27E, which is their cold weather group. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, windshield de-icer. Take a look down the driver's side. And again, clean Carfax, low miles, nice condition. Nothing to hide on this one, folks. What you see is what you get. Take a look at this rear seating area. It does have some nice rubber floor mats in it also. Back seat looks like new. Doesn't look like it's hardly been sat in. Headliner, everything good. Slip up front, I want to show you the exact miles. And of course you have your modern amenities you're going to have in a later model vehicle with power windows. Power locks, mirrors, power seat as you can see over here on the driver's side, steering wheel controls. There's your exact miles, 26,000, I don't know if you can see that, 26,052. It's kind of washing out, but there it is, 26,052. Of course, push button start. Nice Uconnect setup. There's your all-wheel drive. Again, both key fobs. Best thing to do, take your time looking through that still picture. See exactly how this is equipped. Condition will not disappoint. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. I just want to show you how nice and clean and tidy that is. At the end of this video, we'll even take this thing for a drive just like we do with the rest of our cars. Show you how it drives out. Let me slip up to the front. Go ahead and pause this a second. We'll get this hood open and check out that engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't appear this thing's been driven in climate weather. And engine bay. As nice and clean, as tidy as the rest of the vehicle. Again, 3.2 liter dual overhead cam engine. And it's paired up with a 9-speed automatic transmission. 2020 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Clean Carfax, low miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2020 Jeep Cherokee that, in my view, looks pretty much like new. 26,054 miles on the odometer. But inside and out, she feels like a new Jeep. Super comfortable leather bucket seats. This is an automatic on the center console. And let's see how she does on the road. Plenty of power on tap. You definitely feel it when you put the throttle down on this Jeep. Really nice touchscreen display, easy to use. Got a nice sounding stereo.
Lots of people have been critical of rock and roll for a long time. Mankato's classic rock is cynical.
It is a beautiful day here in Mankato, Minnesota today, and this Jeep loves the highway. It's a nice, smooth ride. You got all the feature comforts of a modern vehicle. Automatic, of course, makes it easy to drive. Power brakes are working great. Power steering is effortless. Corners nicely. And of course it's going to be all-wheel drive capable. So you can take it anywhere and take the family with you. Really nice. Like new Jeep Cherokee. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Jeep at uniqueclassiccars.com.